Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today I'll be showing you some bright designs for summer, so let's get started. For the first design, start off with a base coat to protect your natural nails, and then 2 coats of a light blue polish. When the polish is totally dry, apply a piece of striping tape straight down the center of your nail and fill in the left side of the nail with yellow. You could also use a piece of scotch tape for this if you don't have striping tape. Immediately remove the striping tape and let the polish dry. Next, use white to make a circle in the center of your nail. I used a nail art brush for this, but you could also use a dotting tool. Add some lines coming off the circle for the sun rays. Finish it off with a glossy top coat. For the next design, once again, start off with a base coat and then 2 coats of a bright orange polish. When the polish is dry, use a dotting tool to make a large yellow circle in the middle of the nail and then 2 smaller ones above and below. Use a nail art brush to make 2 even smaller circles and then seal it in with a top coat. For the last design, after applying a base coat, apply 2 coats of a neon blue polish. When the polish is dry, apply a piece of striping tape to the center of the nail horizontally and fill in the bottom half of the nail with a darker blue. When that's dry, apply 2 pieces of striping tape vertically to make a stripe down the center of the nail and fill it in with yellow. Finally, apply a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Let us know in the comments below which of these 3 summer designs was your favorite. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.